In this video, I'll guide you through how to create Microsoft Forms from Excel. This is a really handy way to turn a simple spreadsheet into a clean, professional-looking form that you can share with others for surveys, registrations, quizzes, or data collection. Instead of manually building a form from scratch, Excel can automatically generate one for you based on the columns you already have set up. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Excel on your PC. You can use an existing workbook or create a brand new one. If you're starting fresh, take a moment to think about the information you want to collect. Each column in your worksheet will become a question or field in your form. For example, if you want to collect someone's name, email, and feedback, you might set up 3 columns with headers like name, email, and comments. Those column headers are important because Microsoft Forms will use them as the labels for your questions. Make sure your headers are clear and easy to understand because that's exactly what your respondents will see. Once your Excel sheet is open and your columns are in place, go to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. This is the same area where you usually find things like charts, tables, and illustrations. In newer versions of Excel that are connected to Microsoft 365, you'll also see an option related to forms. Now look for the Forms option within the Insert tab. When you find it, click on Forms and then select New Form from the drop-down menu. This tells Excel that you want to create a brand new form linked to this workbook rather than opening an existing one. As soon as you click New Form, Excel will connect to Microsoft Forms in your browser. It may open a new window or tab, and you'll see a form automatically created for you. The questions in this form are generated directly from the column headers in your Excel sheet. Each column becomes a separate question or field. At this point, you can review what Excel has created. You'll see that the basic structure of your form is already done, which saves you a lot of time. You can adjust the wording of each question if you want, or change the type of response field such as text, choice, or date, depending on your needs. The important thing to note is that the link between your form and your Excel file is already established. Behind the scenes, any new responses that people submit through your Microsoft form will be sent back to your Excel workbook. That means you can continue to work with your data inside Excel using filters, charts, or formulas to analyze it without having to copy and paste from another tool. So to recap, you open Excel on your PC, go to the Insert tab, click Forms, and then choose New Form. Excel automatically generates a form based on your worksheet columns, turning your spreadsheet structure into a ready-to-use online form in just a few clicks.